The question we've been trying to answer is a question that has been under debate for the past couple of decades, mainly between linguists. That question is the origin of Yiddish language. Now, Yiddish is a language that consists of German, Hebrew, and Slavic elements written with Aramaic letter, and it has been spoken since the 9th century. The prevailing view is that Yiddish is an old German dialect, where the alternative view is that Yiddish is a Slavic language that used to have Slavic words and grammar, but over time it shaded its Slavic lexicon and adopted German words, while retaining the Slavic grammar. In a sense, Yiddish speakers sounds like Yoda from the Star Wars universe. Yoda's language also consists of words in English, real and made-up one, like Wookiee and Jedi, but the grammar is off. Yiddish also consists of 251 words for just buy and sell, suggesting it was invented by traders. Language, geography, and genetics are all connected. The further I move away from England, the more dissimilar the DNA and languages of the people that I will encounter will become. So if we have a tool that converts genetics into geography or languages, we can find our answer. Fortunately, in 2014, we published the Geographic Population Structure, or GPS tool, that does exactly that. GPS converts DNA information into geography. So to answer the hypothesis of where Yiddish speakers came from, we applied GPS to the genome of Yiddish speakers to find where their DNA is from. Surprisingly, GPS took us to northeastern Turkey. At first we did not understand the result, but when we looked at some old books, we found 4 ancient villages named Ishkenaz, Ashkenaz, Ashkenaz, and Ashkuz. Names that Ishkenaz, Ashkenaz, Ashkenaz, and Ashkuz. Names that may be derived from the word Ashkenaz. This place resides on a hub of trade networks. This is where Silk Roads and other trade routes converge. We speculated at that time Iranian traders, Iranian Jewish traders plying the Silk Road, moving merchandise from east to west, from Asia to Europe, identified this region and made it their center. They converted the local population, and to maintain their monopoly on trade, they invented a secret language, one that only Jews can speak while they remain conversant in all other languages. With their secret language, they could move all their merchandise back and forth and move information between East and West to maintain their monopoly. Shortly after they invented the language, they relocated. The young Ashkenazic Judaism was relocated to Khazaria, and some 500 years later, when Khazaria was destroyed, they moved to Eastern Europe. At that time, the network collapsed and Ashkenazic Jews separated from their brethren of the Iranian Jews, and the two populations went their separate ways. Yiddish was stopped being used as a trade language and was now start accumulating words in German while retaining the Slavic grammar. Our results are consistent with the Slavic hypothesis, suggesting that Yiddish has a Slavic origin and that it has originated in ancient Ashkenaz that is located in northeastern Turkey. By applying GPS to the genome of Yiddish speakers, we were able to find ancient Ashkenaz and villages where the DNA of Yiddish speakers has originated probably over 1500, 2000 years ago. The search for ancient Ashkenaz has been going on for about maybe over 1000 years, and now we believe we found it. Of course, this needs to be verified with archaeological evidence.